Cupping and Islam. You've probably heard of acupuncture, aromatherapy and homeopathy, but you might not have heard of cupping, unless you're a Muslim, in which case you know it as hijama. First, what is it? You put a cup on the targeted area, then you heat the air in the cup so that it expands and escapes. Then you make a seal with the skin and the partial vacuum sucks at the skin. Another way to do this is to use an air pump and pump the air out of the cup. Hijama is wet cupping. You make a cut in the skin and put the cup over it, create the partial vacuum, and thereby you draw out some of the blood. So it's bloodletting, which was very popular with physicians in the Dark Ages. Many Muslims follow this practice because Mohammed was very keen on it. Abdullah ibn Abbas reported that the messenger said, "I did not pass by an angel from the angels on the night journey, except that they all said to me, 'Upon you is cupping, hijama, O Muhammad.'" Sunan ibn Majah, hadith number 3477. The Prophet said, "Jibrail repeatedly emphasized upon me to resort to cupping, to the extent that I feared that cupping will be made compulsory." The Prophet also said, "If there is anything good in the medicines with which you treat yourselves, it is the incision of the hijama therapist, or a drink of honey, or cauterization with fire, but I do not like to be cauterized." Sahih Muslim, hadith number 2205. Jabir ibn Abdullah reported that the messenger said, "Indeed, in cupping, hijama, there is a cure." Sahih Muslim, hadith number 5706. If there is something excellent to be used as a remedy, then it is hijama cupping, reported by Abu Huraira, Sunan ibn Majah. The Prophet explained that hijama is one of the best medicines. The best medicine with which you treat yourselves is hijama, or it is one of the best of your medicines, or the best treatment you can use is hijama. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 5371. The best treatment is cupping. It removes blood, lightens the back, and sharpens the eyesight. Al-Hakim 4/212, Al-Tirmidhi, hadith number 3053. Ibn Umar reported that the messenger said, "Cupping hijama on an empty stomach is best. In it is a cure and a blessing. It improves the intellect and the memory." Sunan ibn Majah, hadith number 3487. Salma, the servant of the Messenger of Allah, said, "Whenever someone would complain of a headache to the Messenger of Allah, he would advise them to perform cupping." Sahih Sunan Abi Dawood 3858. Ibn al-Qayyum mentions that the messenger cupped his head when he was afflicted with magic, and that it is best from the best of cures for this if done correctly. Zaid al-Ma'ad 4/125-126. Hijama, cupping done on the Prophet, peace be unto him. Anas ibn Malik reported that the messenger was treated with cupping hijama 3 times on the 2 veins at the side of the neck and the base of the neck. Sahih Sunan Abi Dawood 3860, Sunan ibn Majah, hadith number 3483. Jabir ibn Abdullah reported that the messenger fell from his horse onto the trunk of a palm tree and dislocated his foot. Waki said, meaning the messenger was cupped on his foot for bruising. Sahih Sunan Ibn Majah 2807. Anas narrated that the Prophet used to have hijama done on the veins on the side of his neck and the upper back. Al-Tirmidhi. Abdullah ibn Abbas reported that the messenger was cupped on his head for a unilateral headache when he was in Ihram. Sahih al-Bukhari 5701. Jabir ibn Abdullah reported that the messenger was treated with cupping, hijama, on his hip for a pain in the area. Sahih Sunan Abi Dawood 3863. Abdullah ibn Umar reported that the messenger used to cup his head and would call it the place at the top of the head, Mughthif. Sahiha 753. Sahih al-Jami 4804. The Prophet praised the person who performs cupping, saying it removes blood, lightens the back and sharpens the eyesight. Jamal Warasai, page 179. The above quoted hadith is clear that cupping was practiced by the Prophet himself and strongly recommended by him. Ibn Abbas reported that the Prophet was treated with cupping and he paid the cupper his fee. Reported al-Bukhari 10/124 and by Muslim 1202. So, when is the best time to do cupping? Abu Huraira reported that the messenger said, whoever performs cupping, hijama, on the 17th, 19th or 21st day of the Islamic lunar month, then it is a cure for every disease. Sunan Abu Dawood, hadith number 3861. Al-Hafiz ibn Hajar said, according to the doctors, the most efficacious cupping is that which is done at the second or third hour after having intercourse or taking a bath, and neither on a full nor empty stomach. Ibn Umar by Ibn Majah that the Prophet said, administer cupping on Thursdays and administer cupping on Mondays and Tuesdays, but avoid cupping on Wednesdays, Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays. Abu Dawood reported from Abu Bakr that he disliked cupping on Tuesdays and said, the Messenger of Allah said, Tuesday is the day of blood, and on that day there is an hour when blood does not stop. So, does cupping work? Here's some claims. Boosts the circulatory and immune systems, cleanses and detoxifies the body, treats illness and relaxes the patient, pain relief, fertility, many muscular, skeletal, neurological, immune, cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive and urinary issues. So, does it work? Mohammed says it works very well. It is a cure for every disease. So, does it work? How would I know? Allah knows best. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to discuss this with me, you'll find me on Facebook in the Religion Discussion Group. See you there.